Good morning, everyone. This is my blog. Like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ayong buntag sa tanan. Time check. 4:06. And today is Wednesday, 24 September, everyone. And the weather for today is about 10 degrees. 10 degrees. 10 degrees kaya pala giniginaw ko. So, ayun everyone. See you later. Ang update this morning is cold here in my place. And today, ayan, double na yung cover natin sa ulo. Tapos, ayan lang everyone. See you after 6 hours. Dahil, as usual, mamalengke ako ng lulutuin for lunch. Yun lang everyone. Bye at the moment. Kain tayo everyone for breakfast in bed. Ayan. Ay naku, nakalimutan ko palang lagyan ng mayonnaise.
Nagbibigay ng kutsara? Hindi ko mo. No, yung mga sushi na ganyan. Wala yung mga pinag-ano na plastic? Yung green.
So ang masaya, naiwan kami ng 52. So autumn na. Autumn na to here in UK, everyone. So we need to wait for how many minutes? Na 52. 16 minutes? Oh dear. Okay. We're gonna wait for... Oh, it's long. Torototot. So, yun ang mga kasama ko. Ha? 16 minutes na. Kasi punta kami ng Miyamoto. Ay, Mia, sorry. Mia, we're going to Mia. I need to check what vegetable are they. It's like the Asian vegetable. That is the Asian store, but the vegetable is like, if you want the vegetable in the Philippines, you can go there at Mia in Williston. Yun lang everyone. And yun, Luz! 10:28 everyone. I am inside the bus taking up 98 because I've been there in Mia. Bumili ako ng lulutuin na yun everyone. Bayad ng Cooking time. Chicken langganisa everyone. And ginisang ampalaya. Sa itlog. I'm gonna show you the finished product, everyone. Tigman mo. Lunch, nauna na ako, si nanay. Dumating ako, nag-iinom siya ng gatas kasi late na ako nakarating 11. So, ayun, dahil na, alam mo na, mamalingki pa. $15.25. It's 3:25, everyone. Time check. It's going to work, everyone, in the afternoon. So, let's go. Mhm. Yeah, nakita nyo, sunny day. Yeah, it's 18 degrees, sunny day. Pero malamig. Malamig. See you later, everyone. See you when I see you. Horse train, everyone. Horse train, everyone. Second train, everyone. Check out, everyone. Time check 16:02. Timing. It's the right time. Pagoda. Yan, Arben. Ang init, di ba? Summer. Oh, the sun is arise. Ayun. Time check. Finally, 16:10. No? Finally, the diff is okay. It's almost 2 days. We're using this again. Hallelujah. So, I'm here already in my area. Just checking. I know one. Oh. Uwian time na, everyone. This is the night of Thursday night here in Aldgate, near at the Liverpool, everyone. So this is it, Pansit Underground. May alarm. Why? Mag-top up tayo. Dito, way in. The way in. Naku, hindi ko na maabot yung 1 minute. May 1 minute. Lot 3. Huh? Abot ko siya everyone. Second time everyone. Rolling.
Here for the Metropolitan line. Please mind the gap between the
Good evening everyone. Ito na talaga ang totoong evening. Yan. Uwian time na everyone. See you soon. See you soon when I reach on my cage, everyone. So, malamig. Ganda ng langit. Oh. Diba? Good night, everyone. Good night. God bless and I love you all.
Pasensya ka muna dyan ha. Diyan lang yung nakakilala natin. Dati lang kasi.
Dinner tayo, everyone. Dahil gutom na trabahador ng UK, everyone.